So, g'day people, how you going today? And today, well, let's talk about how we say hello in Australia. And you can probably use some of these for around the world as well. So, in Australia, we use current greeting is hello. Hello, that's pretty common around the world. You can say hi, which is just a shortening of hello. You can say g'day. G'day. How you going? And that is a shortening of good day. I made another video on that, so you can watch that. Maybe I'll leave it up in the top there. Oh, what else could you say? Oh, how you going, mate? It's a how are you going, mate? We just say how ya going, mate? How you going? And someone might reply, alright, alright, alright. That starts with an O. And it just means all right. So we say alright, alright. So our English is somewhat changing a bit. And I'll do some other videos on how our language is changing. Ooh, another way to say it. Sorry, I'm using a book for this. You can say, how's tricks? How's tricks going? So someone's doing tricks, that means they're doing something that's tricky. And if you're saying, how's tricks, it means, how you been? What you been doing? What's going around? So you're inquiring about what is happening with them. Okay, and another one, how are ya? How are you? But we just say, how are ya? Generally, we don't say, we do say you, but we shorten it to ya. And I believe in a few other English-speaking countries they actually use that as well. How are ya? So those are some ways that we say hello in Australia. So when you come to Australia, you can pick one of those. Make sure you use the Australian English pronunciation and keep learning, people, because English is awesome, especially all the different accents and dialects. But I would also encourage you to learn another language as well, especially one that's outside of your language family that you know. So, thank you very much for watching. Have an awesome speaking time, people. Hooroo!